You've got a little catch here, you just push it to the side, that one, and one. So that's in case if you need to jump start. So that's that. Under there, we've got a brake fluid. If it's low, you untwist it while it's cool and top it up. And hi, welcome back to Sanumotors. And yeah, so we've got a Range Rover Sport 2015. I just want to show you how to top up the fluids, what to check on them. That's about it, your daily top-ups, you know. And so first things first, well, let's open the bonnet. It's on this side. Pull the lever. You've got a little catch here, you just push it to the side, that one unlocks the bonnet. You don't need to prop it or anything, it's just there, staying up. Right, here's your most important one. That's the only one you're probably ever gonna have to top up, which is your washers, screen wash. So lift it up, fill it up to the brim until it's literally just there. That's it. Right, next you also got your jump points, which is a positive, closed by the lid, and there's your negative one. So that's in case if you need to jump start. So that's that. Under there, we've got a brake fluid, which is all covered up, so you'll have to remove all of them screws to lift this lid, but you don't normally have to really touch it too much. Up here, that's where you top your oil. Obviously this one hasn't got a dipstick, so you'll have to check it on the screen through the options on the steering wheel, and yeah, you find your oil level and you can check it. Plus, if it's low oil, the computer will tell you please top up with like 1.5 liters of oil or something along those lines. Yeah, so it will tell you that. Next, there's your air filter box here. That's in case you need to change the air filter. Obviously you've got two of them. That's your antifreeze or coolant goes into here. You do not open it while it's hot, you know. You just yeah, if you need to top up, you shake this bottle. Because it's see-through, you can actually see a coolant level through the side. If I'll get a torch, you can see, because it's pink, you can actually see the coolant level is halfway, and that's roughly where the point, the maximum level is, around this area anyway. But yeah, but if it's low, you untwist it while it's cool and top it up and do it up until it clicks. That's your air conditioning recharging points if you ever need to recharge your aircon. And behind there, if you take them clips off, 4 clips off, is actually a fuse box for the engine bay. Another fuse box is on behind the dash. If you want to know where that is, please see our other video. Actually, we had to do our fuse for the cigarette lighter, and which end up with being 4 fuses there actually. Put separate fuses for cigarette lighters and or for power points rather. And yeah, so that's where the fuses are inside. These are for the engine bay. But yeah, so that's quick and easy video for us to just to see the levels. Thank you for watching.